Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a program that I've created using C language. It's a tic-tac-toe game. Okay, so this tic-tac-toe game is composed of two source file, function C, func C and main C, and a header file. I also made a make file to somewhat compile them easily. Okay, first I'm going to compile the code. So execute make, and then you can have executable file name tic here. Okay, so I just need to execute it, and here's the game. So this game is for two players, and the first player is the one who's going to move. Okay, followed by the second player, and what the player needs to do is just pick out what the number or the location of the number he wants to put his mark. For player 1, the mark is X, and player 2, the mark is O. Let's say, for example, player 1 to play at slot 5. Okay, so just enter 5 there, and you can see that there's an X in that present location here. Okay, and now if player 2 wants to put in at 6, so just indicate the number 6, and here again, so you can see it, there's a mark O there. So let's simulate if player 1 wants to win, or if player 1 is going to win, what will the program do? Okay, so let's put player 1 next slot at 3, next move, and player 2, let's just put player 2 wants to move at 9, slot 9, and finally player 1 wants to move at slot 7 okay, to complete the game. Now player 1 wins because he's already completed 3 X's. Okay, now if you want to play the game, you just put it yes. If not, N for no. If you put another letter or number there, it will not accept it, but you need to put Y and N. Y for yes and N for no. So okay, I'm going to put Y. Okay, or Y. Okay, now let's simulate what if there's no winner here. Okay, it's a draw. So let's say player 1 is X and player 2 is, and next one is player 2 wants to go at slot 2, and player 2 has entered. Okay, that's wrong. So if player 2 entered the wrong the mark, but not the slot, so it will not be it, the his turn is already in default, so it will be player 1 again. So player 1 will mark at 2. Okay, then player 2 will just have to put in something at 3 to prevent player 1. Okay, now we continue this game. So player 1 needs to go to 6, and of course player O or player 2 will put in at 5 to prevent player 1 from winning. Next is player 1 would want to attempt to put X at 7. Okay, and player 2 got to do what's player 2 got to do is just put in a number at 4, a mark at 4. Okay, and then player 1 will be going for 9, for example, and finally player 2 will go to 8. Okay, so after that there's a bug here. It will indicate it is a draw, and then it will ask again, want to play again? Yes, Y for yes and N for no. Okay, so if no, just indicate our N, and then it's an exit. Okay, there's just a slight bug here that I need to put here the backslash N here. Okay, and then this will go here level here. Okay, so that is how it is. If you're interested in this in how I wrote this code, you just need to watch my next videos on this about tic tac toe. By the way, this tic tac toe is an assignment for me. I'm taking C++. I know it's C language tutorial in the online. Okay, and I just want to share to you guys. This tic tac toe program uses advanced. It's not advanced. It's just somewhat the next lessons. Okay, it uses pointers. okay, pointers, and it uses array of characters. Okay, the array of characters is the one who's been writing this slot here, okay, as you can see, and the pointer points to is the one being passed on a function, which of course the pointer contains the addresses of the array of characters, okay, and then the function just modify the the data inside the address of the array, which is of course passed by the pointer. Okay, that's how it is. So if you're interested in this code, please watch my next video, and also I'm planning to post the whole video on GitHub. No, not the video, the whole source code in GitHub. Okay, the next video is about the individual make file and what it does, and then I'm going to structure them in such a way that it will be much easier to learn, because the way so that I can help you learn also. And for me, I'm going to learn much better because I'm teaching what I have learned. Okay, so that's for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Okay, thank you. Bye.